For an accelerated nation's peace program. His core competencies in technology Steely style of technology management by the government of India. August 1949, he graduated in electrical engineering from Kerala University, completed his PG from Indian Institute of Management.
Future of the country who are going to make changes. I'm not talking from the eloquence that they have presented here, but the way they have looked at the situation, the way they have brought out, and the kind of enthusiasm that they have transferred to the people who are sitting in this room. I was asked a question by Dr. Jayaraman how we did it the first attempt. Basically, we learn from the experience of all others who failed in this attempt. When we decided that we should attempt to orbit a satellite around Mars, the global situation was 60% failure by the countries who have been in this field for a few decades. We wanted to do that, and we looked at all the failures that they went through, and we mounted efforts to ensure that we don't fail through those ways. There were several other ways of again failing, but like this, all heads were put together, and we realized the difference between national shame and national fame is very, very thin. There is a small failure somewhere that is sufficient to spoil the dish. So all the people were very attentive. They put all their heads together and found out what all ways this can be a failure and how do we take care of that. And as a team, they knew in any eventuality how they should recover from that. That is one aspect. The second one of it is the only opportunity in the life probably most of us were getting to do such a wonderful mission. So people from the age of 80 to people who were in the early 20s, all of them were excited to do for contribute, and we worked almost 18 hours a day, even many days 20 hours a day, and we made it. So when people talk about how India did it in 4 years when somebody else was doing it in 11 years, how did it? We did it with 1/10 to the cost. These are all the reasons why we were able to achieve. What does it show? It shows that nothing is impossible if we have the grit and determination, and if we have the team behind us to do that. And at that time only, something of this nature, significant and path-breaking result will come out. One more lesson is, when we take up any new major activity, there will be criticisms and comments. I am sure this great saint also went through it. Christ also went through it. We will also go through it. You will also go through in your life. Don't get swayed away by criticism. Go by your conviction. But in every criticism there is a signal. Catch hold of that signal and ensure that you harden your way of proceeding. Take care of all those issues, and then success is yours. That is the lesson that we have learned in this major mission, and that is the lesson which we want to pass on to the young generation who are going to see a great India in the future. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for this kind gesture, coming down all the way from Chennai to Bangalore to present this award, for the excellent function arranged, for the nice, kind words, and something at the end of our long career. We feel satisfied when we live in your hearts. Thank you.